Canelo Alvarez. Introducing Terrence Bud Crawford. Champion of the world, introducing Naoya Monster Inoue.
John Real Casimero to easy money. Do you believe that, Abner?
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Wins World TV. Kung pag-uusapan lang kung sino ang pinakasikat na boksingero, isa na siguro si Canelo Alvarez ang namunguna. Si Canelo Alvarez ay pinapatunayan na hindi lang siya isang boksingero na malakas, kundi isa siyang tatak at isang alamat na magmamarka sa buong mundo sa larangan ng boxing sport.
That was a right hand that finished him off.
Perfect set right hand, and Shorely's gonna stop the fight.
No, Alvarez, what frightens you?
Nothing. This is what I love.
Yeah.
So.
Ngunit may isang boksingero din na gusto makuha ang pagiging hari sa mundo ng boxing at susubok sa lakas at galing ni Canelo Alvarez. Ito ay walang iba kundi si undisputed N2 World Division Champion Terrence Crawford, na natili pa rin itong undefeated at siya ang haamon at susubok sa lahat ng mga boksingerong top contender ng bawat division.
About trying to do rounds. This is not about trying to hear the final bell. This is about seizing a moment. As he says, the bag has been secured. Now it's about legacy. You know, it's about putting your name in the history books against one of the best fighters called.
What they gotta say now?
Kilala si Terrence Crawford na isang maangas at matapang na boksingero na gustong maghari sa mundo ng boxing. Ang labanan Canelo Alvarez versus Terrence Crawford ay laban ng mga malalakas na gustong maghari sa mundo ng boxing. Dito rin masasagot ang lahat ng mga katanungan kung sino talaga ang tunay at karapat dapat maging hari sa mundo ng boxing.
To give credit where credit is due, Canelo is a very special fighter. And the fact that he has a whole country on his back and just millions of people worldwide supporting him is not for no reason. It's not because he's a Mexican, you know, it's not because he's from a specific place. It's because he's good and it's deserving.
His record speaks for itself. He fights anyone. Kovalev, a light heavyweight, step back down, he takes on the super middleweights. He's fearless.
Yes.
Are you serious about fighting Canelo Alvarez?
Of course.
Are you confident that that fight is a fight that you can win?
Well, I'm always confident that I can win any fight that I step foot in the ring. Canelo is a big, strong competitor. He's a great fighter. He's a future Hall of Famer. And that's what we in the game for, is to leave a legacy that will last, surpass our lifetime.
How he loved to challenge himself as a person. And I know what kind of journey he's trying to get to. I know that personally. And man, he gonna walk away with a star on his back. They're gonna say, man, this is one of the greatest fighters that ever laced up gloves. Terrence Bud Crawford, y'all. I promise you that.
So you take on Canelo Alvarez. How do you take that fight on? Do you box him and move him? Do you stand in front of him? This is a Mexican warrior. He punches hard. He's big. He's strong. People aren't going to doubt you because you've got the skills. They know you've got the ability. You've got the skills. This guy's got the skills and the ability. We've seen it time and time again. But he's big and strong. Are you big enough to take on this guy toe to toe and have a tear up with him?
That's why we fight. So all the questions can be answered on fight night.
Are you going to take him on though? Or are you going to box and move?
That's why we fight.
What's going to happen?
So
man?
all the questions can be answered fight night.
I think that Crawford would be the superior boxer, as great as Canelo is, as seasoned as he is, with 65 fights, if I recall, on his record. He's phenomenal.
You wanna see motherfucker? See soon. You will see some.
Crawford is something special. I think that he's a better pure boxer. I think boxing-wise, he's going to give Canelo fits. My concern is that he won't hurt Canelo. And if he doesn't hurt Canelo and can't hurt Canelo, then Canelo keeps coming. Similar to how he stalked Charlo.
Body shot by Canelo.
Bien hecho, bien, así. Get on the rope, get on the rope.
Oh, Canelo loading up with the right and left. Canelo loves to attack your arms, your shoulders.
Tell him we going for Canelo next.
Yes. Let's go. Canelo, come on.
You heard it from him.
I don't think we've seen anything like Terrence Crawford in all my years of boxing. I know that for a fact. I've never seen anybody that has everything. Good speed, power, timing, can switch the way he switches, to have the toughness, the meanness that he has, the way he finishes guys, the way he breaks down guys. He's one of the smartest guys that I've ever seen in the ring.
So matapos matalo ni current Unified Super Middleweight World Champion Canelo Alvarez, ang knockout artist na si Edgar Berlanga, by a lopsided unanimous decision, ay talagang hinamon muli ni Terrence Crawford itong si Canelo Alvarez, para magkaalamanan na kung sino talaga sa kanila ang hari. Ang kahilingan ni Terrence Crawford ay natupad dahil kasado na ang labanan Canelo Alvarez versus Terrence Crawford, na magaganap ngayong September taon kasalukuyan. Dagdag pa ni current WBA Junior Middleweight World Champion Terrence Crawford bilang isang underdog ay wala talaga itong nadarama na takot o pangamba sa kanyang makakalaban na si Canelo Alvarez ngayong buwan ng September taon kasalukuyan. Nagbanta rin itong si Terrence Crawford na gugulatin niya ang buong mundo at tatulunan niya itong si Canelo Alvarez. Bukod dyan ay ipapakita ni Terrence Crawford ang kanyang mga estilong hindi pa nakikita ng karamihan, dahil gagamitin lang daw niya ito kay Canelo Alvarez. Ngunit ganun pa man ay hindi rin papasindak ang mga supporter ni Canelo Alvarez sa sinabi ni Terrence Crawford. Ayon sa kanila ay magugulat talaga ang buong mundo dahil makakatulog itong si Terrence Crawford sa ibabaw ng boxing ring sa oras na makatikim ito ng nagbabagang kamao ni Canelo Alvarez. Ngunit ganun pa man ay paghahandaan daw talaga ni Terrence Crawford itong si Canelo Alvarez dahil talagang patutulogin niya ito sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Singunat bago ang labanan Terrence Crawford versus Canelo Alvarez ay atin muna panuurin ang kanilang mga best fight knockout at kayo na po ang humusga kung sino ang mas malakas.
Зрительно, да, но при этом он бросает руки. Отличная работа.
Дает себя...
О, падает! И посмотрите, что творится! Вы посмотрите, что он сделал! Одним движением он закончил все!
Да, бой остановлен. Бой остановлен, я даже не видел это.
Heavy punches. It's not going to work for him if Billy is busy. Feet behind him, so he's well balanced. And that was a nice little cheeky shot on the break.
Look at Billy Joe Saunders. He is starting to find.
He's told us he can't afford to lose rounds or give up an inch. A close fight. Inch for inch, punch for punch.
Just trying to figure him out a little bit.
66 to Canelo. 68-66 Canelo. He's only 2 rounds up.
Saunders took an awkward step back.
You see Canelo landing big shots like he's here.
And right eye in his troops here at AT&T Stadium.
He breaks down opponents and makes them really in a way.
He's like a matador.
Well, that's the power from Canelo.
So perhaps order has been restored if you're a...
Catch him with this one. Listen, all right, go.
Canelo acting like he's already knocked him out. And it is over. They have stopped the fight. They have stopped the fight.
His father.
Gun effect. Left to the body as he has done a few times. Goes with it again.
Terrence Crawford, Porter, jab, right, and another combination. Beautiful work by Crawford, and he's stopping the fight. His father says it's over. Crawford stopped Sean Porter.
The undefeated WBO welterweight champion of the world, Terrence Bud.
No i co? Kapitalne. Ileż tych prawych podbródkowych było wcześniej? Niektóre dochodziły, niektóre mijały o włos dosłownie, o milimetry szczękę. Go chciał skończyć. Potrafi przyspieszyć, wiemy doskonale. A z prawy, ależ akcja prawy na... Coż za uderzenie. Ciężki knockout.
Znakomicie to zrobił Alvarez.
Widać było, że ależ knockout, proszę państwa.
Poczuł krew, przyjął walkę, zmęczył Kirklanda i skończył.
Looks like he was thinking about giving southpaw a try just then. Terrence Crawford in terms of punches landed. And that
was might be the only one that matters so far.
Exactly. That's what I was trying to tell you. We wait him out to about round 6, and you see what he can do afterwards. And it's what he did after the jab is what hurt Thomas Dulorme.
First 5 has paid off big here in 6 for Terence Crawford. He's measuring and tattooing Dulorme in the corner. Crawford, just with surgical precision, drops Dulorme again. Here's the second knockdown. It seemed that he had studied up in the first 5 rounds and knew every single thing he had to do once he got Dulorme hurt.
Of course, once he got him hurt, he just had to keep on hitting him. He's fatigued a little now. Once the fatigue sets in, you just keep...
The way he's setting him up, the way Terence Crawford is setting Dulorme up for these...
This is what you want to see in a good champion. He's not just strictly head hunting when he has to get hurt. He's going to the head and the body.
It's pretty clear through those first 5 rounds, Crawford studied up and now knows every single thing.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Winsworld TV. Ang malapit ng pagtutuos ng dalawang hari ng bantamweight division na sina Naoya Inoue aka The Monster at John Riel Casimero aka Angas ng Pinas Cuadro Alas. Ay maraming nagkokomento na hindi raw kakayanin ng Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero itong The Japanese Monster Naoya Inoue kung sila man ay magkatapat. Hindi naman natin maikakaila na talagang napakalakas ng power punch nitong si Inoue lalong-lalo na ang kanyang trademark na mapangwasak ng bodega ng kalaban. Ngunit ganun pa man ay hindi rin naman papatalo ang ating kababayan na si John Riel Casimero pagdating sa lakas, bilis, tibay ng panga at katawan pagdating sa pakikipaglaban. Dahil sa totoo lang, mas lamang itong si John Riel Casimero dahil sa mga karanasan at mga pinagdaanan nito bago niya maabot ang 3 Division World Champion. Kung titingnan mo naman ang malapitan itong si Naoya Inoue ay walang duda na isa talaga siyang malakas, kaya para sa karamihan ay malabo talaga manalo si John Riel Casimero kay Naoya Inoue kung sakali man na maglaban sila. Kung ating titingnan talaga itong record ni Naoya Inoue sa 22 na professional fight niya ay 4 na beses pa lang siya napapalaban sa labas ng kanyang bansa. Una niyang nakalaban ay si Antonio Nieves na ginanap sa StubHub Center Carson, California, USA.
By the solar plex. Nieves hesitates.
Pangalawa ay si Emmanuel Rodriguez na ginanap sa The S Hydro Glasgow, Scotland, United Kingdom. Pangatlo ay si Jason Maloney na ginanap sa Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Tulsa, Oklahoma, USA. At ang pang-apat ay si Michael Dasmariñas na ginanap sa Virgin Hotels Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Sa lahat ng mga laban nitong si Naoya Inoue ay talagang nagpahirap sa kanya ay ang ating kababayan na si Nonito Donaire. Kung napansin niyo sa mga previous fight itong si Naoya Inoue ay 2 to 3 rounds lang tumatagal ang kanyang mga laban. Samantala dito kay Nonito Donaire ay talagang nahirapan siya ng husto at saksi ang buong mundo na nakapanood ng laban niya kontra Nonito Donaire kung paano napinsalaan ng sobra itong si Naoya Inoue. Nagkaroon nga dito ng fracture sa right eye socket itong si Naoya Inoue pagkatapos niyang saluhin ang super power punch nitong si Nonito Donaire. Ikumpara dito sa angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero na likas na matapang at siya pa mismo ang dumadayo sa baluarte ng kalaban, na hindi mo makikita kay Naoya Inoue, dahil si Inoue ay ayaw dumayo sa baluarte ng kanyang kalaban. Dito pa lang ay lamang na sa lakas ng loob ang ating kababayan na si Cuadro Alas angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero. At ito pa ang kabiliban nyo kay John Riel Casimero, sa lahat ng kanyang mga laban bilang dihado na dayo, ay nakuha niya paring manalo sa lahat ng mga nakakalaban niya. Sa totoo lang, sa lahat ng kanyang laban bilang dayo ay nakuha niya paring manalo, dahil sa pagdayo ni John Riel Casimero ay nakuha niya maging 3 World Division Champion. Maliban dyan ay meron pang lamang si John Riel Casimero kay Naoya Inoue. Ito ay ang kapangyarihan niyang sumalo ng malalakas na suntok na walang gaanong pinsala sa oras na matamaan man siya. Ayun nga dito kay Prince Albert Pagara ay napakabilis lang paduguin ang ilong ni Naoya Inoue at pwede niyang itong maging isang kahinaan.
Oo, yung nag-sparring kami, dumudugo yung ilong niya kasi pag matamaan lang siya na kahit hindi malakas, pag natamaan lang yung ilong niya, dudugo.
Ikumpara dito sa angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero ay napakakapal ng pagmumukha niya at napakatibay ng panga, nakitang-kita naman sa lahat ng kanyang mga laban. Kung ating balikan, ay tila manhid ang panga at mukha niya at hindi napipinsalaan ng kalaban. Pagamat ganun pa man, ay malaki talaga ang chance manalo ni John Riel Casimero kontra kay Naoya Inoue, dahil kayang-kaya tanggapin ni John Riel Casimero ang power punch ni Naoya Inoue. Pero ang tanong, kayang-kaya kaya ni Naoya Inoue saluhin ang super power punch ni John Riel Casimero? Ayon sa ating mga napanood na laban ni Naoya Inoue, karamihan doon ay pinatumba niya sa pamamagitan ng body shot niyang nakamamatay. Ito ang mga boksingerong hindi nakaligtas sa bagsik ng liver punch and body shot nitong si Naoya Inoue. Omar Narvaez, Emmanuel Rodriguez, Michael Dasmariñas. Kaya kailangan gawin ni John Riel Casimero na patigasin at gawing solido tulad ng bakal ang kanyang bodega ay tiyak malaking pag-asa na matatapos niya at matatalo niya itong tinagurian the monster ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue. Sa tingin nyo guys, kaya patumbahin ng angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero itong halimaw ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue? Just comment down below.
物心ついた頃からボクシングをやってる。で、もうそれが生活の一部になってる。まあボクシングが好きだから続けられてる。まあ多分どの仕事も一緒ですよ。もうそれは。そこの自分がやってるものに情熱が欠けてきたら絶対成果落ちてくる。
Nga ang karamihan sa mundo ng Philippine boxing community, matapos mag-post sa kanyang official Facebook page at YouTube channel si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero, ang litrato at video kung saan ay nakipag-meeting ito sa pinakamayamang personalidad ng bansang Pilipinas, na si former Ilocos Sur Governor Chavez Singson, ayon sa post ni John Riel Casimero. Ang mga immortal hindi umaasa sa swerte, let's go Ninong Chavez. Dahil sa post at litrado ni John Riel Casimero kasama si former Governor Chavez Singson ay halatang may malaking magaganap na pasabog ito. Alam naman ng karamihan na isa si Chavez Singson sa maimpluwensyang tao sa bansang Pilipinas, at kilala din si Chavez Singson na mahilig sa larong boxing. Alam naman natin na si Chavez Singson ay isa sa haligi at tumulong kay 8th Division Champion Manny Pacquiao maabot ang tuktok ng tagumpay. Siya rin ang dahilan kung saan naganap ang Fight of the Century, sa pagitan ni Manny Pacquiao at Floyd Mayweather Jr. Kaya tama lang ang nilapitang tao ni John Riel Casimero. Meron na din nagawang hakbang itong si Chavez Singson na kausapin ang pamunuan ng Top Rank Promotion, na si Bob Arum, patungkol sa magiging laban ni Cuadro Alas John Riel Casimero.
At times frustrating. His hands are like that. Inoue would throw a shot and then he'll...
Naoya Inoue is now the first fighter from Asia to be a 4-belt undisputed champion. All 4 are his. The king of the bantamweights, Naoya Inoue.
内訳も素晴らしいですね。
そうですね、ちょっとまあ、世界一は川島さんもこれチャンピオンです。第1ラウンドからこの下ろしていきます。そして左からアメリカ。
出ますね。力が入っています。力が入っています。圧倒しています井上尚弥。うわ、ものすごい力強い。まだ右に入った。これはどうか。リングポーズを取ります。さあ井上尚弥。ワンツー左。
すごい。
聞こえた。相手の心をへし折る。埼玉スーパー
なければ1点差。
右だ。さあ残り1分。誘い込むか。最後の戦い。ここで試合終了のゴングが鳴り響きました。
ナオヤ。
サンチェスのプレッシャー。カシメロの左が火を吹いた。2度目に匹敵するものを見せなくてはいけない両者、ジョン・リエル・カシメロ VS サウル・チャンス・サンチェス。10回戦が始まりました。まずは第1ラウンド、カシメロのコンディションも心配されるんですけれども、いきなりいった、ぐらついた。しかし右を入れた。手をついたかどうだ。ダウンか、ダウンです。
チェスもいいカウンターあったんですけどね、勝った後に。いや、さすがカシメロ、こういう曲ありますね。
いきなりだ。まだ30秒経っていません。まずはダウンを奪ったのはジョン・リエル・カシメロ。なんとかちょっと手を思わずついてしまったというようなことになりましたサンチェス。ただカシメロはかなりかかっています。サンチェスの方はランキング、世界ランキング入りはしているんですけれども、こちらはバンタム級でのランキング入りということで、階級で言いますと岩瀬さん、重いんですよね。この辺りはまたこちらのコンディションもどうかというの気になります。いや、しかしカシメロの方はキレありますね。
やはり序盤強いですね、カシメロ。
いきなりダウンが生まれました。ただそこからサンチェスの方もいいパンチを返しました。ちょっとこれは目が離せません。
なっちゃう。
ここで左フック。
これサンチェスこれ得意なんですよ。もうためを作らずに左フックうまく打ち込めるんですよね。
今度はボディに打ち込んでいくカシメロ。少しフェイントを入れましたサンチェス。そこに対して2回目。サンチェスのプレッシャー。カシメロの左が火を吹いた。2度目のダウン。サンチェス立ち上がれるか。うなずいた。立ち上がりました。残りは1分。さあカシメロが来るか。仕留めに来る。サンチェスしのげるか。構成一方か。いや、返す。いいですね。返している。そこに打ち込んでいくサンチェス。いや、カシメロが集めていく。左が入った。
ちょっとサンチェス力ないですね。ここはタイミング合ってますよ、左フック。
右から残りは40秒。少し落ち着くか。いや、まだ効いている。
今のクリンチャーサンチェスうまかったですね。
2度目のダウンは思いっきり効かされました。残りは30秒。左を返した。
合わせにいってますね。
カシメロがまた来た。このラウンドどうでしょう。しのげるか。止めた。